Hello everyone, I, Rajesh Sharma, working as assistant professor at Amity School of Communication, Amity University, Rajasthan, Jaipur. Today I am going to present my first video assignment which is assigned by under the refresher course ICT and Computer Application organized by Aligarh Muslim University, UP. Today I'm covering only the Corel Draw. So Corel Draw basically we use for vector designing. Vector designing, it means those graphics which we can zoom at any level and without any distortion, that is called vector graphics. So vector graphics generally we use for point, line and mathematical value, and which we can zoom at any level without any distortion. And also we can go for the larger to larger print without any distortion. That is called vector graphics. In the vector, generally we get different file formats like AI, CDR, EPS, SVG. These are the vector file formats. In terms of raster graphics totally pixel based, and also we cannot zoom our content beyond the level. So every raster picture has own certain pixels and we cannot zoom beyond the level because every picture has own limit. So if I'm clicking some pictures from the camera, so I cannot zoom beyond the level. So we should know key in how much resolution we are fixing for that image, and under the that certain limit we have to perform. And resolution is very important section in graphics. Basically how much pixels are available in particular image, either in device resolution. So basically we perform under that resolution. Image resolution is totally based on the image, what image we are going to use. And suppose if I'm working in Corel Draw and we are exporting our file into the JPG, so we have to fix image resolution and then after we can export our file. Resampling, there are two types of resampling. Resampling is a very smarter technique in graphic software, and basically we use for the increase the number of pixels, either decrease the number of pixels. And basically when we get lower pictures, lower resolution quality picture, in that case we will use the upsampling method so that we can increase the little bit quality of that picture. And also we get 5 interpolation method techniques. Interpolation method techniques will help you to manage your pixels, new pixels, with along with colors and details. Property bar is very important in our graphic software, because suppose if I'm selecting the pen tool, so automatically that feature, all feature of pen tool will reflect on your property bar, so that users can use easily with the property bar. And object manager is very helpful in managing the content. It means suppose if I'm using the rectangle, pattern, flower, and anything which we are going to draw, and also how we can manage. Suppose uh, in a one flower I have to use many things, right? And many things, it means if I'm using, and every content, every petals I'm just keeping on the separate layers. Layers is just perform like a copy. In a one copy we get many pages. In the many pages we can save our content, we can write our content different pages. So just like a object manager we will use our content. And fountain fill is basically when we using our object in designing. So how much color we want to fill, how many colors we want to fill. And suppose we want to fill gradient color, it means more than two colors. So more than two colors if we want to fill, obviously we will use only the fountain fill. And in the fountain fill we have a different options: conical, radial, diamond, linear. So basically these are the techniques, these are the styles of fountain fill. And rulers is basically for the accurate measurement. With the help of ruler we can align our content easily, and also we can accurate measurement. Suppose if you are trying to design visiting card, so visiting card size is standard 4.5 in, sorry 3.5 into 2. So basically, if I'm using the visiting card, we have to fix the ruler. And ruler is totally based on your requirement. And suppose if you are using the you can change it. If you want to use inches, you can change it. If you want to use in pixels, also you can do that. And tint is the lighter version of any color. And suppose in red color, if I'm putting white color, so automatically we will get the pink color. So lighter version of color, not a transparency. And wireframe is totally like outline based. If I'm using any object, multiple object like flower and any like design, so we will get only the outline, not the base color. So that is called wireframe. And wireframe is very helpful to check your content before the printing, because suppose if you are sending your file to vendor for the print purpose, so you have to check, because maybe in the behind your object, maybe some contents is there, so that uh, vendor can face the problem in printing. So when we sending our file, so we should check properly. And RGB is totally red, green, blue. These are the basic color, and which generally we relate with the computer color. In the computer color, we said like brightness of color, and RGB color range is 0 to 255, and we will get total number of colors is 256, and for 256 it means each channel, red, green, blue, each channel we will get the 256 colors. On the 0 we will get some other color like white, and we are increasing the 255, so we will get the black color. And power clip, last is power clip. Power clip is basically to put our content in a particular container. Container may be your object, your text, whatever you feel. And there are 4 stages: place inside the container, edit content, extract content, and finish editing this level. Thank you.